Welcome to the personal property tour for 3A Balgarvie Road, Cupar. This is a really spacious 2-bedroom masonette. The property benefits from its own private entrance, which you can see behind me just here. To the rear, you've got generous sized outdoor garden space with the great addition of a summer house, which has power, so perfect if you're looking for that working from home space or even a workshop. Internally, you're getting generous sized bedrooms, a lounge on the second level, so you're getting elevated views, as well as a breakfasting kitchen on the ground level. So let me take you on the tour, show you everything you're getting with this property, and as always, keep listening until the end for how you can get further details. So this is your property here, 3A. So access to the property is just down there. So as you can see, that's you directly onto Balgarvie Road, and yes, you can see that's a bus stop, so ideal for commuting, and then obviously the opposite side for commuting in the opposite direction. But great location right on your doorstep, and then you're coming up here and you have your private entrance. Now we will come out and obviously show you this, but that is your outdoor garden space to the rear. But let's head inside firstly and start the tour. So you come into your entrance hallway. Now we are going to start upstairs and work our way down. So it is just the kitchen on the lower level, and then we head upstairs to your 2 bedrooms and your lounge. So we're going to start in the lounge space. Really generous size, spacious throughout the whole property. So you come straight into your living room. So brilliant size, and I love the feature on that wall with the accent of the black and then the wooden panelling. You've got the inset there for shelved storage. You've got that really big window that's letting all that natural light flood in. But it also allows you, because just for reference, you have Duffers Park just behind those trees just there. And then obviously you have the rugby pitch, and then you can see the hills just in the distance there. But really great sized living room. Downlighters throughout the whole ceiling as well. So lovely and bright. We then just step down into your landing with the bathroom and bedrooms. So you come into your bathroom, so 4-piece bathroom. So you benefit from a bath, WC, that large walk-in shower with your thermostatic rainfall head. You've got inlets just on the side there for obviously all of your needs. Then you have this wall here where you have your heated shower rail, and then your freestanding wash hand and basin vanity unit, but a really great sized, and again lovely and bright. Then we come into your main bedroom, although both are really generous size, so you'll be deciding which one to pick from. Both really bright as well because they benefit from multiple windows. So with this one we have dual aspects. So you have the large one just at the rear, which again gives you the view to your garden space, but plenty of room here for all your bedroom furniture. Easily get a king, super king in here, and then a further window to the front, but you can see just how much storage you can have in this room. Then you have just storage in this section just here, which is perfect. And then coming in to your next bedroom, again you can see just how bright it really is with the 3 windows, allowing you to have plenty of natural light flooding in. This one is perfect for a window seat. And you can just see in the distance there, views. But really great size. And as you can see, we're already starting to move up and pack up, so this property is ready to go. So this is the property here, and something they had considered doing at one point is actually partitioning along here to create almost like a box room, a 3rd bedroom. So there is potential if need be. But let's continue the tour and head downstairs. And then of course we'll head out into that garden space, because you really are spoilt to get that much garden space within Cupar with your masonette. So coming back down to your entrance hallway. And then you come into your breakfasting kitchen. So a great social kind of family space right here. Love having that obviously large breakfast bar, almost island. Plenty of seating around it. Then you have this kitchen space. So ample cabinet and worktop space. And again, you have the outlook to the rear. And what's great as well about the position of this property, and you'll see that as we head outside, is we're not overlooked at the rear as well. So lovely and private, but you can see plenty of space for your freestanding appliances. Then you have your integrated hob, oven and extractor, and you've got that Belfast sink as well. And then just to give you an idea just of how big this space is, you've got your heated towel rail just on that wall just there further storage behind the door, and then this is a really large, that door slides and it's a really large pantry. You'll be so surprised when you come to view this one just how big that space is. But this is your breakfasting kitchen. Okay, so let's head outside and we'll show you everything else you get with your property. So you have a slabbed kind of paved seating area just here. And then we come up these steps and obviously it's laid to lawn, which is perfect. And as I said to you, completely private because we're not overlooked to the rear at all. Not too bad day today. Could do with being a bit warmer, but you can just imagine in the summer months sitting out here in the sun. That is your obviously summer house with the power that I mentioned at the beginning. So brilliant if you are looking for a working from home space, a workshop space, or just even a summer house for further kind of living space. Perfect area here for, as you can see, a hot tub or even an outdoor seating area. And then there's obviously further space at the back just there. So brilliant, obviously size garden, not overlooked whatsoever. And then that is into your summer house, which is a really great size, as you can see the full length of that. So you could even probably partition that off again and split that to make it work for you. And then just looking back at 3A just there. So let's have a recap of this property. That was the personal property tour for 3A Balgarvie Road, Cupar. As you've just seen for yourself, a really spacious, generous sized 2-bedroom maisonette. You are getting your own private entrance. Heading inside, you're getting those 2 really generous sized bedrooms, that contemporary bathroom, the elevated lounge which gives you views to the hills in the distance, and then that breakfasting kitchen which again is really generous size, and it's a great space for socialising and entertaining family and friends. As you can see, we're already packing up to move out as well, so this property is ready to go. You then get to head outside to the rear where you have this outdoor garden space that's not overlooked whatsoever, plus the great addition of this summer house that has power. So really is perfect if you're looking for that additional living space, working from home, or just a kind of craft workshop space, while still having amenities all on your doorstep. You saw exactly where the bus stop is situated for commuting. Further commuting can also be done by the Cupar train station if you need to get to Dundee, Edinburgh or beyond. In terms of your amenities, you're just a short walk to the Bonnygate in the high street if you're looking for butchers, bakers, shops, doctors, dentists. As well from this location, as I pointed out, you have Duffers Park just behind us, so great for walking. In terms of if you're looking for schooling with this property, we're just around the corner from Belbaxter High School, and of course you have the primary schools within Cupar as well. So everything on your doorstep while getting the perfect property and getting to take advantage of this garden space. If you'd like to get further details, message me directly, click the link, or you can call the team on 01334 654 221. Sophie at 5 Properties, take care.